Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I will discuss and share one software which you must have all-in-one PDF toolkit for your computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website www.sesda.com. So you can see its web page. So what specialty about is that you can edit any PDF files, like you can see here the popular PDF editor, compress, delete pages, merge, split, extra pages, and lots of options like merging, split, compress, edit and sign, convert from PDF, and others like the cropping, delete pages, grayscales, etc. and so on. So if you want to edit in your website, that is you want to edit online, then also you can do it. And if you don't like editing any PDF file online, then there is offline versions too that you can download its software in your computer. So you can see here on the right top corner there is written a desktop, so just click on it. So when you click it, and then you can see here are options called free download. You can download this software by clicking this button. So as I've already downloaded in my computer, so I'm not going to do it again. So you can download it if you want to use it in the offline mode. So you can download it for your various operating system. So if you're using a Macintosh computers, then you can download the Macintosh version. So if you're using a Windows, then you can download for Windows, and even if you're using a Linux version, then you can download for the Linux version. So you download it and install it if you want to work it in the offline mode. And similarly, what you see in the online, as you can see its user interface on the online, then this is the same exactly layout you will gonna see in the offline version too. So let me show you the offline versions too. So you first download and install the offline installer. So once you download and install, you can see the offline versions too, as exactly the same as it is in the online versions. So you can get a lots of options to edit your PDFs in various options. So you can see here almost the same as exactly that you can see in the website. So let me show you again. So depending upon your needs and which functions you really need for editing your PDF files, so you can use your respective files. So try it out by yourself, and if you find any difficulty using this software, then leave your comments below. I'll try my best to guide and help you to solve your problems. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.